Alright, this video is going to be about how I hardwired again because my AC adapter for this old Ring Video Doorbell 2, it broke in half. I found out later on, you'll see in the video, and I had to reattach it and make sure that my hardwire worked, and it kept recharging my Ring Video Doorbell 2 camera. What I also did is I'm going to upgrade, and I have the new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. And what I've done, since I was checking the hardwire, the AC adapter, and I'll show you the AC adapter right here, right there. That's the one I've been using for about 4 years on the Ring Video Doorbell 2. It works. I can definitely tell you it works with the new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus because I hooked it up and it's working right now. This is another one that I'm going to be installing later. So that's the video. You guys ready? Let's go. Alright, recently I noticed that one of my Ring cameras stopped charging. What I have is, I'll show you a picture of it. I have an AC adapter that I purchased I don't know, 4 years ago. And every one of these, or all 4 of these Ring cameras are hardwired with this AC adapter. And this one on the garage entrance, recently, if you open it in the app and you click on the settings up here on the top right, it shows you the little battery icon up here. Hopefully you can see that. See the battery icon? If you click on that, you'll see right here it says power source battery. I hope you can see that. And it's at 74%. If it's hardwired, let me go back to, if the hardwire is working, let me go back to this main entrance here. Check here. See, that's fully charged. You go here and it says hardwired here instead of battery. So I know that the hardwired adapter, AC adapter, is working on this one. If I go back to my other camera, you can tell here that it's down to 74%, and I went and recharged it. So for some reason this AC adapter is not working, and I need to check on that. All right, let's go. All right, here's the garage Ring camera. Remove the cover here. Screw, it's a T something. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it up in the description or something. Take off this piece. Now you can drop the battery. Here's the battery here. And like I said, I just recharged it, and now it's down to 76% here. Don't lose the screw. Alright. See if you can see here. See how it's connected back here. Need to unconnect that. Aside from that, it looks like it's good to go. I don't know. So the whole screw came off of this guy. Got to put him back on. There we go. So now I need to test this with the with my Fluke multimeter. All right, I'll turn on my Fluke. I'll put it on AC, Volt AC, and I will touch here and touch here, and it says 0.021, which is not good. It doesn't seem like any voltage is getting to the end here because it's supposed to be sending 18 volts through the adapter out to this Ring unit. Alright, I tested the power, and there is 120 volts coming to this adapter, and I plugged it back in, so with the adapter, 18 volts should be coming out. So try it one more time. Touch it there, touch it here, and still I have nothing. Well, I found out that the actual cable was broke right here where it came across and went up in this direction up to that plug right there. So, and then it came down and then went across here, and that's where it broke by rubbing against this for years. Finally just snapped in half. And that's why I wasn't getting any voltage to the Ring camera. So, thing is, this still works. I checked it, and it's pushing out 17 volts. So, I checked it with the voltmeter, and it still works. So, I can use it. So, I ran the wire again, and what I've done here is put some felt up here to kind of cushion against this piece, and I put felt over the top of the wire here and run it down, and here's the end that I've cut, and what I need to do is splice this. And hold on a second. All right, so what I'm going to do is utilize a couple of things. This is actually from the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus packaging. It has these little eyelets here on the end, and since I'm eventually going to replace this unit here on the garage with a brand new Ring Doorbell Battery Plus, whatever you call it, I'm going to use what's in their set, which are these little eyelets. And what I have up here is an AUG 2324 from this package. Heat shrink unit that will go across here and go across here and connect. It's like a butt connect, but these heat shrink on, and this little silver piece in the middle actually, when you apply heat, it'll run that flux through both wires and make a pretty secure connection. That's what I'm going to do. So I will pull this apart here. And take these ends off. Now I'll tighten them up this way, because it doesn't matter which one of these goes to either side of the Ring camera, just so they both connect. So I've got these. I might push these through here first. I can't remember how rough it is to get this up here. I don't think it's that hard, but you never know. There they are. Alright, let's do this one at a time here. Push this. This should go on here, hopefully. Well, right nicely. And then this should go through, hopefully. Oh, look at that. Come on, buddy, work with me, not against me. All right. But there we go. All right. Okay, so they're both in there real nicely. I got the little flux piece in the middle, and now I'm going to heat it up with the heat gun here. I will turn the volume down for you. Be able to see when this thing, yeah, there you go, starts to spread through. See how it's getting all silver up and down there? There you go. Now it's, you see silver up and down through here where it's spread in. Like you gotta thread this like a needle or something. You don't want to go on as easily as the other one did. Hopefully you can see this. Going right in there. Goes tight. Now, heat gun. This guy's already cooled off. That's great. That didn't take long at all. Wow. Alright, so these are on there, they're connected. Should be good to go. Now I'm going to connect them to the back of the old unit with these little eyelet connectors, which are pretty cool compared to what I had to do before. And again, it doesn't matter which side you connect them on. And I'll use this same connection for the new, when I replace this one with the new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. There you go, connected. It's not plugged in yet though. Still need to plug it in, but it's connected. Push it back there. This in here. Screwdriver on. This is not working perfectly. Go in far enough. Now place the battery in. The cover back on. The special screw under here. And now once it finishes powering up and everything, we'll have to check to see if it states that it is wired. Alright, so here's where it comes in to the garage. It goes up. Black wire there. And plugs in right here. So it's plugged in. Now let's go check the app. Alright, now that the battery's in and it's plugged in, let's check out the app. Here's garage entrance, go up here. Now it did take a while. Here it says hardwired, you can see. And it's at 70%. Hopefully it'll gain and increase and go up to 100%. But it didn't immediately change to hardwired. It took like 20 minutes for it to recognize, I guess, that it was hardwired. So just so you know, if you hardwire it, you're not immediately going to see that it's hardwired. You have to wait a little bit and then it'll come in there and tell you it's hardwired. All right, so now you know the trials and tribulations of me getting this to work with the adapter again. Sadly, the adapter broke in half after having it connected for 4 years, but hey, it still works, so that's good. If you like these videos, please go ahead and click like. And if you like the other videos we have on our channel, go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel, and I hope you guys have a great day, all right? Goodbye.